Good afternoon, everybody. David Mazzola with Johnson Ford here in New Richmond. Today I'm bringing you a score here if you're looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle with great mileage and comfort. This is a 2019 Ford Escape SE. It only has 54,000 miles on it, and it's certified pre-owned. That means it already went through our certified shop, 172-point inspection, reconditioned, and it transfers a 7-year, 100,000 powertrain warranty to you, as well as a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Now, this SE gives you a lot of options, not just great all-wheel drive with good fuel economy, but it's going to give you the auto starter. It's going to give you a hatch with the release on your remote. It also has safety features besides the airbags, lane keeping, adaptive cruise, a large screen, so you can go ahead and Bluetooth your mobile device to the vehicle to enjoy that hands-free calling. Please give me a call at 715-293-3189 if this vehicle looks like it's something you're looking for, or check it out online on johnsonmotors.com, stock number 917738.